Our fine feathered friends go house hunting each year. A pair of bluebirds arrive first and check out the log cabin very carefully, going in and out before making their final decision. Meanwhile, a pair of pine siskins stop by to check things out for themselves. After looking things over carefully, they decide they'll take up residency. The bluebirds have decided to look over something a little bit more rustic. After looking it over, they decide to settle in, and then they invite their friends over. A pair of house friends are delighted to find this empty loft apartment, and they sing with joy as they take up residence in the gourd. A pair of nuthatches attend an open house on new construction. Mrs. Sparrow is forced to deal with a claims jumper, a bird who wants to move in the very space that she and her family currently occupy. She handles the situation admirably. As housing gets scarce, some birds, such as these cardinals, decide on new construction. They search the local landscape and choose a site to build their home. A pair of purple finches decide on a penthouse, and they take up residence in a rooftop plant. As a stay-at-home mom, Mrs. Finch incubates her 5 eggs and waits for the chicks to make their appearance. Last but not least, over in the luxury apartments, we find the chickadee parents getting ready to send their offspring out into the larger world with a final goodbye.